Dreaming of witnessing the thundering Victoria Falls, going on a wild safari in South Luangwa, or cruising along the mighty Zambezi River? Well, your trip to Zambia can now become a reality as Indians can obtain an easy eVisa and travel to this stunning African nation. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Zambia eVisa through Atlys as well as independently. So let's get started. But before that, here are the requirements for Zambia eVisa. Scanned copies of your passport front and back page with validity for at least 6 months, return flight tickets and confirmed hotel bookings. Once you have these details sorted, you can begin the application process. Step 1. Go to the official Zambia eVisa website. We have also added the link in the description below. Step 2. Create an account and fill out the online application. Step 3. Upload your documents, passport copy, photo, flight details and hotel bookings. And Step 4. Pay the visa fee online. Wait for approval, which usually takes 3 to 5 working days. Print your visa approval letter and carry it with you whenever you travel. Remember, for your Zambia eVisa, you'll need to have your return flight tickets and hotel bookings ready before you apply. Therefore, it's a good idea to plan your trip, make your bookings and then proceed with the application. Also, be sure to carry printed copies of your eVisa approval letter as immigration officers may request it upon arrival. In addition, pack your yellow fever vaccination certificate, especially if you're transiting through a high-risk country, and travel insurance. While they are not always mandatory, but officers might ask to see them, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Once you arrive in Zambia, just show the approval at immigration and they'll stamp the visa into your passport. Go to the Atlys website or app and search for Zambia. Start the application and upload photos of front and back pages of your passport. All your details will be automatically filled in. If you have already used Atlys before, your personal details will be pre-filled. Then you'll have to upload your flight tickets and details of your hotel bookings. Make sure you have them in JPG, JPEG or PDF formats. Verify all your details, pay the fee and submit your application. Your Zambia eVisa will only be valid if you don't already hold a residence permit for Zambia, you have a return ticket or onward travel ticket, you have booked accommodation for your entire stay, you have sufficient funds to cover your trip. A safe estimate is around $150 per day. And that's it. You're all set to explore Zambia, where wildlife roams free, sunsets light up the savannah, and Victoria Falls roars like nature's anthem. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. And if this video helps you to get your visa, please hit like and share it across. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.